I just got this new standing desk delivered, and I am going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to assemble.
As far as furniture assembly goes, this was incredibly straightforward. The only tool that you are going to need that they don't provide is going to be a Phillips head
All
screwdriver.
right, so this took me about 20 minutes to assemble from start to finish. Couple of notes. The instructions were really clear. They were easy to follow. All of the hardware came in individually labeled little pouches, and the true sign of a good manufacturer is when they give you extra hardware in case you lose one. And they did that with this desk, so that made me really happy. I hope watching me assemble that was helpful.